I think if everything goes well, and which I'm hoping it will go well, Slovenia is going to be profited in terms of money in a big way. A lot of companies from India may come here, and similarly, I expect that a lot of companies from Slovenia may go India and invest money because India is the biggest market in Asia after China. So I think Slovenia is going to progress if they really join hands together with India. That's what I'm feeling personally because after signing this agreement, the Chambers of Commerce here and with His Excellency President of India has said that we welcome you, we invite you, and many opportunities are there in pharma, in defense, in infrastructures, in solar energy, renewable energy, whatnot. So it's the biggest market we have, and we welcome Slovenians with open arms. Let them come, and I think both the country will progress.
Veseli smo, da danes lahko gostimo indijsko gospodarsko delegacijo na čelu z indijskim predsednikom. Ocenjujemo, da je to ena priložnost, katere output bojo neki novi poslovni stiki, nove poslovne priložnosti. Indija kot taka je seveda globalni igralec in če in ko pride v Ljubljano, je to priložnost, ki jo ne smemo zamuditi. Sploh zaradi tega, ker že vrsto let slovenska podjetja v blagovni menjavi ostajajo enaka in naša naloga in vloga je, da skušamo z današnjim dogodkom dobiti tudi nove igralce pri poslovanju med obema državama.